Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating prerequisites and then immediately launch the installer. Once the app opens, log in as admin and import a clean SKU CSV. Make sure to map fields: SKU, description, cost, supplier, reorder point. Create at least one manager account and enable two-factor authentication to secure changes. Next, set basic warehouse locations and bin codes so the software has a physical structure to match records. This early precision prevents mismatch errors later. Once done with basics, configure receiving and put-away rules so incoming goods automatically land in correct locations. Explain why it matters. Consistent locations reduce search time and miscounts. Then set picking strategies. Choose FIFO for perishable goods versus batch for large orders, and assign pick paths by zone to minimize travel. Make sure reorder automation uses accurate lead times and safety stock percentages. Test with a dry run order so alerts, PO creation, and supplier notifications function as expected. You finish by running parallel operations. Keep manual records while the system runs for 1 to 2 weeks to catch discrepancies without disrupting customers. Monitor inventory accuracy, cycle times, and fill rates. Use dashboards to spot anomalies and isolate affected SKUs. Once confident, flip to live mode and reduce overlap. If things go wrong, perform a targeted cycle count, review audit trails to find erroneous transactions, and reconcile with supplier receipts. This recovers trust and prevents repeat errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.